and lines. I had to keep on reaching up, cause it was my time to tear down the kingdom, call out the liars. Got a jail on my heart from the pessimist. Got those nails in my mouth for impressionists. Spent too much money on a therapist. It couldn't fix me, I accepted it. Gladiator, gladiator, gladiator. Pick to fight with the gods, I'm the giant slayer. Bone shaker, dominator. Freight train, wrecking ball, I'm the gladiator.
Hi, I'm Marvin Bass. I'm from Sea Oil Philippines Incorporated. Sa training na ito in 2 days, no, my main takeaway is actually the experience, the actual live fire, the actual entry during a structural fire is quite actually engaging, and talagang nandun yung adrenaline. So ayun yung pinaka takeaway ko, no, yung experience. And for the 2-day training, ang nakikita ko lang na insight, no, though yung focus ng training is more on structural fires, and in our industry is more on hydrocarbon fire, I think though na-mention naman ni Compass na yung plano to engage or to include yung training for the hydrocarbons or same industry with us, I think magiging maganda yon. If especially with Mr. Frank Diaz being here, no, he will bring yung kung ano yung ginagawa internationally, and ang masasabi ko lang excited kami for that, no. And yun lang, actually nakakabitin yung 2-day training is, I think, para sa sneak peek na to, so nakagawa ng Compass yun, and looking forward for the future trainings na ma-attendan ng grupo namin, ng Sea Oil especially. Thank you.